Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a new video and a new haul. We are finally finishing off all these hauls, hopefully, with this is just a miscellaneous haul, to be fair. So if you really love those kinds of videos, then please hit that subscribe button down below. This shouldn't take as long as previous hauls, hopefully not, but let's just get stuck in. The first thing I feel like I haven't shown you in a haul is this W7 Ice and Bright highlighter. I do have a TikTok on this versus the ABH one, and I quite like them both, you know. Oh my god, I can't open it. Where's Tiff when I need her? This is what the inside looks like. Just look at that pattern, and that is it there. To be fair, it's a very close dupe. Then we've got the Maggie Lashes blush in the shade Topic. I feel like I haven't shown you this. This is like a dark peachy kind of blush, and it's shimmery as well. That is it there. Can you see that shimmer? It is gorgeous. We got this Juvia's Place bronzer in the shade Tan. I did use this in my first impressions and I really like it, to be fair. It's definitely worth the £14 or 15. I think that was 14. And then the blusher palette I got in volume 2. This was, I believe, £15. I haven't used this yet, but maybe I can do another first impressions and use this. Oh, I love the packaging on Juvia's. Like, okay, definitely tell I ain't used that. You've got like an orange blush and a deeper burgundy blush, and I want to get volume 1 as well. And that's those two shades there. Wait, did I haul that? I don't know if I've hauled that. Then I finally got the other Doja Cat blush palette that I haven't managed to get my hands on. This is in the shade Poppy. So you get like this nice little gold blush highlight. Then you get this deeper blush and an orange blush. Let me see. Well, it's like a mustardy shade. This shade is really in. There it is. This is the worst swatch of my life. Best believe there's no eyeshadow palettes here, I don't think. Then I've got this Sigma Berry Glow little duo, and it's got a blush and a highlight in. Very gorgeous. This highlight is to die for. Just look at that there. And then as I tried this in my first impressions, my girl at work gave it to me because she just doesn't use primers. I love this. I cannot wait. This is £15, so I'm glad that she didn't like it and she gave it to me. I managed to get my hands, and I think these are full size. When I bought them, I thought they were the minis, but I believe these are full size of the Benefit blushes. I've got Peachin' and Sunny. Haven't even opened these. I do want to collect them all at some point. Can you believe I've gone from lip products to blushes? That is what Sunny looks like. Very gorgeous. And then this is what Peachin' looks like. I believe I got them maybe £10 each on Depop. I got this palette off of Alex. This is the Afternoon Tea palette. This is a blush palette, so I can't wait to use that. Everything's a blush palette with me, or blush. Oh, there is an eyeshadow palette. This is the Beauty Bay Bambi palette. I don't know why this wasn't in my Beauty Bay haul. I just needed this to complete the collection. Just look at that. It's so cute. And this is what it looks like. It's really nice. It's gorgeous. I think this was like either £3 or £4, so that's why I picked it up. Then there's a Depop girl who always sells makeup quite cheap, and in my bundle she sent me this Anastasia Iced Out highlighter, and it's gold, so she knows me. She knows me very well. That is it there. I've just swatched it on top of another highlight, apparently. And this is Anastasia. I'm so happy. And on top of that, she sent me this Stila lip gloss or liquid lipstick in the shade... No, it's a semi-gloss lip and eye paint. Ooh, okay. In the shade Donatello. This is definitely a shade I will reach for, but more on my eyes, on my lip. Oh, that is gorgeous. I bought this Beauty Crop Coco Rose palette. I think I had a code for Beauty Crop some time ago. This is how long I haven't hauled properly. I've had to do it in sections. And this is the blush palette. I do want to get their other palettes as well because they are absolutely stunning. Then I won this Fenty blush stick in the shade Trippin' in an auction. If you don't know, I have a Patreon group. That is the shade there. And we have an auction group, me, Luce, Alex and Bryony, and you can auction off makeup that you're not using. I bought this bronzer off of, I don't know. I don't know, but I bought it second hand because I do want to do like a natural collection look. This is a natural collection bronzer. I'm just not sure when I'm going to film that, but if you guys want me to do that, I will surely do that. I feel like natural collection is so affordable. And then I bought these MUA Pro Base Gloju Illuminating Primers. So you've got the shade Flare and Spark. I feel like a mixture of these is going to be really nice. And they both have apricot oil and papaya extract in them. And they're just like illuminating bases. I feel like everyone's doing that. I think Elf just came out with one as well. They're like £14 though, so I don't know if I'll get that. Oh, I've mixed it with blush on my finger. It's a little bit lighter, it's just blush was on my finger. That was just one colour. Oh, and that lady who does like Colourpop bundles also sent me this Bear With Me concealer from NYX, and it's really nice. I got the shade Vanilla, perfect match. I did use it in my first impressions. I'm going to link that video down below because I have used a lot of this in that. Got these little W7 blushes that I've been wanting for a very long time. They're very cute, very tiny, literally. This is in the shade Scandal, and then I got the shade, these are perfect if you want to buy a child like their first kind of makeup item, Gossip. Oh, that girl that does the bundles again sent me this NYX This Is Juice gloss in the shade Strawberry Flex. They're all just clear glosses, but they have like a sweet taste to them. So in the auction there was this big thing about who wanted the Rem blusher. Now I really wanted to try Rem Beauty, but at the same time I was like, oh, don't worry, Abby, you can have it. Abby is one of my patrons, and she actually bought it for me. And I just shoved a big old butthole in it. Sorry, I can smooth that out. She bought it for me, and in the parcel that I was buying off the person who was auctioning, she sent it in my parcel. So them two, thank you. That is the shade there. And I think I've heard that Rem Beauty is coming to the UK, so I cannot wait. That is just going to be another thing I collect. Then we've got the W7 Glow Up Primer here, very tiny. It's good for me to just try out. I managed in the auction to get this Kaleidos highlight. Again, this was one where we were all like, you have it, you have it. And I ended up with it. It's got like a pink gold undertone to it. Oh, that looks nice right there. It's in the shade, I'm guessing Diamond Dasher. That's what it looks like. I've always wanted to try Kaleidos because of Paige Corrin. Then I've got this Wet n Wild blush that looks like that. It was from one of their latest collections. I can't remember. I don't even know the shade. I just wanted to try it. Right in the centre there. I don't even know if you're going to see that. I'm running out of space. And I also bought this highlight. It's a Primark highlight. It's in the shade Goddess. Came in the, I think it wasn't Christmas last year, a few years ago. I bought that in the auction, which is just right here. I bought 5 out of 6 of the Beauty Crop blushers that they sell. So there's 3 that come in a little box like this, and these are really nice. These are the shades, I don't know, they just come in a box like that. Actually, I think the colours are just on the boxes, but that's the other 2 shades I got. Have bought all the sleek new Matte Me XXL liquid lipsticks. I can't wait to do a swatching video of these. I've got so many lip swatch videos to do for you guys. I will get round to them, I promise. Another Depop buy was all these liners from Juvia's Place. I have used the shade Wine in my first impression video. These are gorgeous. They're retractable lip liners, but they're one of the best liners I've tried ever. That shade there. I bought a 17 liner in the shade Purple right there. These were like £2, if that. Some 17 lippies. So we've got a cream lip in the shade Copper, which is a nice little brown. Then we've got a matte lip in the shade Grape. A matte lip in the shade Old Rose. That one looks nice. A very dusky rose kind of shade. And then we've got the shade Purple Red. And this is a cream lip. I think I'm going to get them all and just do some swatches for you at some point. Got some Milani products. So we've got Milani Sunset Passion blusher. I am actually collecting all of these. That is gorgeous. Then we've got the bronzer in 004 Glow. Cannot wait to use that. I have the shade Life of the Party, which is a Maybelline Matte Me. That is the shade. It's a really nice shade. It's one of the birthday ones, I think, because it's in this packaging. And then in the auction I've got 2 of these lovely cookie blushes. I don't know what brand this is, but I thought I'd try it, and they're blushes, aren't they? They are gorgeous because they've got little puffs. And that's that shade there, which is called Etude. No, it's underneath that, Peach Vanilla Cream. And then the other one is called Apricot Peach Mousse. They're called Lovely Cookie Blushes, and the little puff has like a little ribbon on there. And this is this shade here again, that is Apricot Peach. Lastly, I got all of the e.l.f. shimmery blushes. So we have the shade Barbados, which just looks like this. I wish like I had more cheeks so I could do like cheek swatching videos for you guys, but I might have to put some on my lips. Then we've got the shade Belize, which just looks like this. This shade Maui is quite nice. It's like a rosy kind of shade. Oh, this one. This one is Isla de Sol, which I don't know what that is, but it's nice. The 2 last ones, we've got St. Bart's, which is a really nice deep pink. And lastly, we've got the shade Bermuda. Again, this is one of my favourite ones. Hopefully I can do a TikTok on them. But yeah, that is everything miscellaneous. Now I'm on not a no buy, but a low buy. Okay, I can't do a no buy. I think if you knew me, you know I can't do a low buy. So this is, sorry, I can't do a no buy. So this is a low buy. I really hope you did enjoy this video. Anything you want to see in more detail, let me know, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.